This Zerillo Realty property video is presented by Giuseppe Zerillo. Spectacular 2-level penthouse unit in the heart of Des Plaines. Main level is all living space with a wood-burning fireplace in the living room. Updated kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. In-unit laundry room. Second floor features 2 bedrooms with 2 bathrooms. Master suite with walk-in closet and access to your second balcony. There is a balcony on each level and both run the length of the unit and are extra wide as well. 1 bathroom on the main level and 2 on the second. 2 parking spaces included. 1 in the heated garage and another one outside. Storage unit included as well. For more information, review the details below or contact Giuseppe Zerillo at 708-583-8